In a move that sent ripples across the automotive landscape, Ford Motor Company made a bombshell announcement that left industry analysts and car enthusiasts alike scrambling to grasp its full implications. The details remain under wraps, but the core message was clear. Ford is taking a monumental leap forward, one that could redefine its position within the global car market. Gone are the days of incremental change. Ford's announcement signifies a bold gamble, a strategic shift that throws down the gauntlet to its competitors. While rumors swirl about the exact nature of the announcement, two main possibilities have captured the industry's imagination. 1. The electrification revolution. The most widely anticipated scenario centers around electric vehicles, EVs. Ford, long known for its gasoline-powered workhorses like the F-150 truck, could be making a radical shift towards electrification. This would involve a significant investment in EV technology, battery production, and charging infrastructure. Such a move would be a major coup for Ford. The company has lagged behind Tesla and some Asian automakers in the EV race. An aggressive push into EVs could see Ford not only catching up, but potentially establishing itself as a leader in the segment. Here's what such a scenario might entail. A dedicated EV platform. Ford could unveil a brand new platform specifically designed for electric vehicles. This platform would be lightweight, efficient, and capable of accommodating a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs and even trucks. A battery breakthrough. A key hurdle in widespread EV adoption is battery range and charging time. Perhaps Ford's announcement involves a breakthrough in battery technology, offering significantly longer range or faster charging times. A network of charging stations. Another major challenge is the lack of readily available charging infrastructure. Ford's announcement could involve a partnership with energy companies or governments to establish a nationwide network of charging stations, easing range anxiety for potential EV buyers. 2. The autonomous future. Another possibility, equally disruptive, is that Ford's announcement centers on autonomous vehicles, AVs. The company could be unveiling a timeline for the mass production of self-driving cars. This would be a game-changer, revolutionizing transportation as we know it. Here's how this scenario might play out. A Level 5 autonomy. Ford could announce it has achieved Level 5 autonomy, meaning its vehicles can operate completely driverless in any environment. This would be a significant leap forward, as most current AVs operate at lower levels of autonomy requiring human intervention in certain situations. Ride-sharing partnerships. The announcement could involve partnerships with ride-sharing companies like Uber or Lyft to create a fleet of self-driving taxis. This would provide a glimpse into the future of urban mobility, offering a safe, convenient, and potentially more affordable transportation option. A consumer choice. Ultimately, consumers benefit most from increased competition. Ford's announcement, regardless of its nature, could lead to a wider variety of electric vehicles or autonomous driving options, catering to different needs and budgets. The coming weeks and months will reveal the true nature of Ford's announcement. However, one thing is certain. The car industry is on the cusp of a major transformation. Ford's bold move is a catalyst, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and forcing the entire industry to reevaluate its strategies for the future. As the dust settles, one thing is for sure. The way we drive, and perhaps even the way we think about cars, is about to change. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay informed as this story unfolds. We'll be diving deeper into the potential impact, analyzing expert opinions, and keeping you informed on real-world testing results.